Hello friends, welcome to Tech with Rohit. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create a Google account in 2021. I know many of people know how to create a Google account, but some of my friends, they still do not know how to create a Google account. This video is for them, and those who know, you can watch as a knowledge. So let's start with the video. Before starting with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. So let's head towards your browser and in the search bar type create Google account. And hit enter. Okay, here is the first link. You have to click on the first link. Okay, now I am going to create a Google account for my YouTube channel. You can also contact me through that email. Okay, my name, enter your first name and last name, and the username, any username you want to create, and will be ending with @gmail.com. okay, I will prefer Tech with Rohit. Is it available? If it is available, it will be definitely given to me. Okay, the username is taken, means this username has taken by someone. We have to change this. Okay, I will take the another one, Tech with Rohit 816. It might be available, or you get the suggestion from here. Yes, this username is available for me. I will choose the password. If you have to create a stronger password, you can watch my video where I have shown you how to create a stronger password. You can check this card, or the link is in the description. Okay, confirm the password. Okay, when you have done with this page, click on next. Okay, you have to verify your Google account with a phone number. I will type my phone number. The phone number will be verified with the OTP. OTP will be sent on your phone number. Okay, I have received OTP on my phone. Okay, I have successfully entered the OTP. Okay, here are the basic details you have to give them. Recovery email address. If you have an Google account, previous Google account, you can enter it here. If you in future forgot this username or password, this email will be helpful for you to recover it. Okay, I am not giving it here. Okay, your birth date, mine is 26 Jan 2003. Gender, your gender, then hit on next. Okay, it's saying get more from your phone or number. Okay, if you want these features, you can click on yes I am in, or you can also skip. Okay, I am going to prefer this and hit on yes I am in. Okay, you have to agree the privacy and terms. You can read it or simply hit on next or I agree. Just wait a second. Okay, your Google account has been successfully created. Okay, now you can use this Google account on YouTube, Gmail, Classroom, or any other platform to verify your account. Okay, you can get the top apps from here: search, maps, Google Play, news, Gmail, and etc are offered by Google. Okay, this was all about the video. If you like the video, like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me.